one whole video at the house and transfer it to the computer and look at it. It was decent.
This is our drive home on 2136, back to the farm in Meridian, Texas. You can see there's a little bit of a bug splatter on this windshield here. This is a rental car, Enterprise rental car in Waco, Texas. I think I'm going to shoot the whole way back. I mean, this is definitely view worthy. I mean, it's a beautiful open road in Bosque County, Texas. As you can see there. Going straight to YouTube. I feel like I've never had a really good video camera before. This actually looks decent. You know, I may become a new YouTube guru.
Why YouTube? No, you need to do an amateur porn site. That's what you need. That would be fun.
Well, you get you some babes that want to fuck on the camera. I'll come and film it with the even better camera.
Put it on the fucking Craigslist, man.
You think there's chicks on Craigslist who for free would come and get fucked on camera?
Yeah.
For free.
Yeah.
So they want to fuck you.
Maybe. I would be the camera guy. I like no one. Start off, okay.
A rather nice house over there. You can't really see it well on the camera. So edit that part out. I'll edit the part out that what you said, but I won't edit the part out that you said to edit that part out. So people know that there was something worth listening to that was edited out of this film. Exactly. Yeah. Because my goal is to have the most boring YouTube channel on YouTube.
Yeah, I love it. That show that people watch where it's up in a jar of mayonnaise.
Exactly, yeah.
That should be your YouTube channel for a jar of fucking mayonnaise. Change it up every now and then with David Hellman, some David just miracle clip.
We're supposed to put mayonnaise, it's like dressing.
I know, that's one of the nice things you do that is. Oh man, this show is branching out.
This sort of balances out my other YouTube videos, political rants. 30 seconds clip from the sitting in the car listening to Exit Radio I saw with BlackBerry.
Put that on YouTube?
Yeah.
And how many views do you have? 12 and they're all you?
Like 60 in all me. Oh man. That's what I watch when I go like follow wrong and I go back and watch my own YouTube videos. Like that's my entertainment. I know. This video might go viral though. Two motherfuckers, you know, talking about bullshit.
I'm not a motherfucker.
I never fucked a mother. I fucked a future mother.
I fucked a soon-to-be mother.
But if you do fuck that same woman again, you can be a motherfucker.
I want to definitely have.
Right, which we won't talk about that because I don't want to do any more editing of this film. I like raw, uncut footage myself. Not familiar with the area. Again, west of 2136, like Clifton, Texas, to the farm in between Meridian and Cransville, Texas. We're about to turn on Texas 22, Texas highway. As you can see, there is a highway intersection ahead. Focus on this thing isn't that great.
We are moving it.
Yeah, I bet you can kind of play with it too. I'm not sure what you can press. I guess you can do anything on its own. That's how it zooms. Apparently you can't. Oh, it's not working.
Oh, no, maybe there's not zoom on the video.
That kind of sucks.
Google it when you get that HTC Evo video stuff. I was seriously thinking about buying an iPod Touch just for the video. Instead of buying a camera, they're about the same price. I get an iPod Touch on it. But then I got the Evo. Yeah, the same thing. The quality's better on the iPod.
Okay, we're starting again. I was just messing with the camera and I accidentally stopped the first video. I'm going to combine these two videos when I go to make some edits and some changes. But we're still on the drive. We're on Texas 22 now. Got Ricky in the vehicle with me, a good guy, nice guy. I'll be stopping the film before we reach our final destination. Our location, our final location, is a secret location that cannot be published on the World Wide Web. But nobody ever refers to the internet anymore as the World Wide Web. Guns N' Roses on the Bear FM 102.5, Waco's rock station, and we just changed it now to 97.5 FM, KWTX. Today's hit music. That's another station out of Waco. That's a Clear Channel station.
We don't have the press associated with the music. You just gotta realize it's just right.
So this may be my start to a very famous directorial future. You know, I'm going to be, first to shoot a really crappy YouTube video, and the next week you're shooting the next episode of CSI Miami. CSI Waco. That's going to be exciting.
Yeah, that sounds amazing. That's going to be the next big hit on CBS. Yes, I believe so. Everything happens in a two-block radius on 19th Street.
I had a buddy of mine lived on 19th Street, and I used to go visit him, and I was always worried walking from my car to his apartment I was going to get shot at or something.
It happens a lot out there.
You hear gunshots. You'd be walking by the apartments, and you'd be smelling a bunch of weed. And people, there was always ambulances and cops in the parking lot. I wonder why.
Always getting shot at.
For those not familiar, that's the bad part of town in Waco, North 19th Street. It's not far from the worst HEB in Waco. The Sonic's not bad over there.
Never bothered to stop.
I'm a risky fellow. Okay. This road is County Road 4120, Bosque County Road. Again, I'll be stopping the video here shortly due to the fact that we're going to a secret facility owned and operated by a secret organization. Nice red barn over there. No, I don't think it is. If I did, I'll edit it out. I'm stopping the video.